Welcome to Saving Planning. Hey there, you've just landed in the ultimate spot for smart money tips, budgeting hacks, and personal finance strategies designed specifically for everyday Americans. Whether you want to save more, spend smarter, pay off debt faster, or grow your wealth, this channel has got you covered. Here at Saving Planning, we break down money matters in a simple, practical, and fun way so you can actually take control of your finances without feeling overwhelmed. Expect weekly videos packed with actionable tips, insider tricks, and step-by-step guides to help you build your financial freedom in 2025 and beyond. End intro with a suspenseful teaser. By the end of this video, you'll have a full game plan to save money every month, even if you think you're broke, and it's gonna be way easier than you think. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a tip that could save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars every year. Let's start planning, saving, and winning with money together. Today, our topic is Best Ways to Save Money in the USA 2025 Guide 1. Track your spending. Most Americans have no clue where their money is going every month. That's exactly why they're broke. Emphasize that you can't fix what you don't measure. Share personal examples like, I once tracked my spending for a month and was shocked to see over $300 gone on random snacks and subscriptions. I didn't even use. Recommend tools like Mint, YNAB, or Google Sheets for beginners. Encourage viewers to categorize every expense from groceries to streaming services to Uber rides because it's eye-opening. Once you start tracking, you'll realize money is leaking everywhere, and this one simple step alone can save hundreds a month. 2. Build a realistic budget. Budgeting isn't about starving yourself, it's about bossing your money so it works for you. Explain the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. A budget should work for their lifestyle, not against it. Include a US-specific example. If your income is $4,000 a month, 50% goes to essentials like rent and bills, 30% goes to stuff you enjoy, and 20% goes straight into savings. Stick to this simple framework, and you'll see your bank balance grow in ways you never thought possible. 3. Cut unnecessary subscriptions. You're probably paying for services you don't even use, and that's hundreds of dollars just disappearing every year. Point out common culprits: streaming apps, music apps, gyms, and niche subscriptions. Suggest tools like Frugal to track subscriptions automatically. Canceling even a few of these can save hundreds in a few months, and most people don't even realize they're bleeding cash here. It's crazy, but some folks are literally paying for 5 streaming services and barely use one. 4. Save on groceries and food. Stop throwing money at groceries like it's monopoly money. Explain that planning is key. Suggest meal prepping, buying in bulk, and always having a grocery list to avoid impulse purchase. Introduce cashback apps like Ibotta or Rakuten to add another layer of savings. I saved over $200 a month just by planning my meals and using cashback apps, and I didn't even have to give up anything I loved eating. Add examples like, instead of buying lunch every day, prep it at home, and you're instantly saving $50 a week without even feeling it. 5. Lower housing and utility costs. Housing is one of the biggest money killers for most Americans, and it sneaks up on you. Explain ways to negotiate rent or move to cheaper areas. Discuss energy-saving tricks like LED lights, smart thermostats, and low-flow water fixtures. Emphasize that small changes add up fast. Turning off lights, adjusting your thermostat, or negotiating a better internet plan can save you hundreds every year. Most people never even think about it, but this is easy money if you just take action. 6. Transportation savings. Stop burning cash at the gas pump like it's a BBQ. Share alternatives like carpooling, public transport, and using apps for cheaper rides. Talk about insurance discounts and keeping up with regular car maintenance. A few smart moves here could save you a ton without even affecting your lifestyle. You'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. Add real-life example. I switched a few things around in my commute and ended up saving over $100 a month just by being smart. 7. Use cashback and reward programs. Why let companies steal your money when you can get paid to spend? Discuss credit card rewards, loyalty programs, and cashback apps. Explain the caveat. Don't overspend just to earn points. Share a personal example. I racked up over $50 in cashback in a month on stuff I already had to buy. It was basically free money. Once you start stacking rewards correctly, it's almost like printing money legally. 8. Reduce debt and interest payments. High-interest debt is like a sneaky vampire sucking money from your wallets every month. Introduce the debt snowball and avalanche methods and explain the benefit of negotiating lower interest rates. Even paying a little smarter can save thousands in interest over the year. It's crazy how many Americans overlook this. I know a guy who cut his credit card interest in half just by making a few all that extra cash in your pocket. 9. Smart shopping and lifestyle hacks. Stop paying full price for everything like a sucker. Discuss shopping during sales, comparing prices online, and buying quality items that last longer. These small hacks are exactly what wealthy people do silently to keep their money growing. You don't need to spend more to live better. Include examples. Instead of buying cheap shoes every 6 months, invest in one durable pair. It'll save you in the long run. 10. Build an emergency fund and automate savings. Life hits hard, and you don't want to get caught broke. Suggest starting with a $500, $1,000 emergency fund and gradually growing it. Explain automating savings so money is set aside before they even touch it. Once you automate this, your bank account will grow silently while you live your life, and emergencies won't wreck you. Example: I automated $50 a week into my savings account, and in 6 months, I had a safety net of $1,200 without even noticing. 11. Track and optimize recurring expenses. Those sneaky monthly bills are silently robbing you. Discuss common bills like internet, phone, and insurance. Suggest negotiating with providers or switching services. You'll be shocked how much people overpay every month for stuff they thought was cheap or fixed. Example: I saved $30 a month just by switching my internet plan. It doesn't sound like much, but it adds up fast. 12. DIY and home hacks to save money. Stop paying someone else for stuff you can easily do yourself. Include examples like DIY cleaning, minor home repairs, and meal prep. These tiny hacks could save hundreds of dollars each month without much effort, and most people never even try. Example: I replaced the faucet myself for $20 instead of paying a plumber $100. It was easier than I thought. Stress aside hustles and extra income ideas. Why rely on one paycheck when you can hustle smart? Suggest freelancing, online gigs, or cashback apps. Even a few extra hours a week could seriously boost your savings. This isn't hype, it's real money. Example: I did some freelance writing on weekends and added $300 to my monthly savings just from small, consistent effort. 14. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Just because you make more money doesn't mean you should spend more money. Explain how maintaining spending habits while increasing savings accelerates wealth growth. This is exactly why most Americans never get ahead. Even when their income grows, they upgrade their lifestyle too fast. Example: I got a raise but kept living on my old budget, and now I'm saving $500 extra a month. Imagine what that adds up to in a year. 15. Final tips and money mindset. Saving money isn't about cutting out fun, it's about playing smart. Recap major tips: track spending, budget smartly, cut waste, automate savings, and consider side hustles. Stress the mindset. Patience, consistency, and discipline are the real keys. Master this mindset, and you'll finally feel like you control your money instead of it controlling you. Example: I used to feel broke every month until I changed my habits. Now I'm in control, and you can be too. Recap top 3 tips quickly. Encourage viewers. Smash that like button, subscribe to Saving Planning, and comment below what's your favorite way to save money. Tease next video. Next week, I'll show you how to save $1,000 in just 1 month in the USA. It's gonna blow your mind.